Hi, my name is Tom Denai. I'm the founder and principal consultant of IStarPMIS, the company with the project management information system that can be accessed via the World Wide Web. Today we're going to cover and walk through our free status report that we're making available to the general public. That's right, totally free of charge. I'm going to close myself out here, and here we are with our free status report at www.istar.com. So, how do you access this? Well, there's a couple of ways. And one of the ways that we can access is to do a Bing search. And here we've typed in free status report. And we're going to do a Bing search via Internet Explorer. And here we come up with our free status report is brought to you by IStarPMIS. And it's our dedicated website to the free status report. We've got two hot links, complimentary free status report. Click here for your complimentary free status report. So you can click either one of these hot links and you will immediately access the free status report. We can also access the free status report via the main company website by clicking free status report. There we go. Notice that the cursor is populated in the email box here. This is a password protected system. You must enter both a valid email and a password initially when you first save your first status report, and then that will be your user ID and sign-on password. Note here that we've got a help screen. Click the help button and we get a pop-up window, and we get a little narrative here. All the fields are very carefully defined, what you need to do with them, and the action buttons, what they'll do for you. So let's save our first status report. Let's do an inquire here. See what happens. Valid email address must be entered. So we'll just put and we'll try to save it. What does it want? It wants a password. We'll try save again. Okay, if you're going to do a save, you need to put in a week ending. So 217 or 107. Save. The first time you enter a status report, you're going to have to tell the system what your name is. So that edit box will appear for the last, first, and middle name. So we're going to put your last name or first, we'll make a typo, first name, or middle name, and we'll do a save. Okay, it saved a blank status report out there. And now you are not going to have to ever enter your name again because it's in the system. So let's actually put some numbers in here. And let's say we worked Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll save. Oh, it's telling us we want to know how much of a percentage complete we're done. We're going to say 90%. How many hours do you have left to do? 4.0. date. Let's say we want it in 1/1 so we're going to say 01. I'm going to get it done by the 12th for sure. Save. There we go. It's been saved. So we can say status P1. There, it tells us that it found it. We can do an inquire. It found it. And we're going to show you a little feature that we've got here. Looks like we entered the wrong date here. This is really 2018. So we'll save for 2018. Okay, now we're going to do a clear. And so when you initially re-access the status report, you're going to want to put in your email and your password, but you don't have to put anything more in. You can just do an inquiry, and it will bring you to the most recent status report. Page 2. I had already had a page 2 out there, so that's where it went to. Okay, so we can also have this button here that tells us what's out on the system for this email and password, which is 7, 0107, 2018, 0107, 2. There's 2 of them out there. So now let's go and we're going to delete the 7th because it was obviously way old and bad. So we delete it out because we had a 2 there. We got to put it out on 1. Okay, it's found and deleted. So now we'll confirm that. Do the date list. There's only 2 of them out there. 2018, 0107 for 2. Do a clear. Let's do an inquiry again. You got the most recent one. We also have a button here that do the grand total if you've got multiple pages. Doesn't happen that often, but sometimes it does. It'll total everything up for all the pages. We've got 64 out there. The other thing we've got here, if let's do a clear. If you forget your password or the one that you think is right, it's not working, you click email password. The only thing you have here is your email address up here. The system will email you a password. It's your password that you have in the system, and it'll have this fake subject line: your IStar order confirmation and credit verification charge has been sent. And in that email will be your password. You should be able to recognize it. I'll do an inquiry again. Password failure. Oh, you didn't type it in right. Wow. What did I do this time? Okay. Oh, fat fingered something. Okay, so they're on the page 2, the most recent one. We can go back to the first one. The other thing that you can do is email a text version of the status report to anybody you want by selecting this button. You get some edits here, and basically it's telling you that you've got to put a valid email address down here. So let's put AOL.com. I don't know if we want to mail the big boss, maybe just the little boss. Oh well, we'll send it email SR. So we mailed the status report to the big boss at AOL.com. Okay, the other thing that you can do is if you want to change your password, you can select this button. The system will go out and create a random string of letters and numbers, populate this field with it, and also tell you what it is down here. Actually, we could probably do that. Okay, I better write that down or I'll never be able to get rid of this stuff. 1NZN 9LCE. That has been populated up here. It's already in there, so we can do an inquiry. And there it is. Okay, that's pretty much it for all of the buttons. Let's go back to our main website here. Remember, it's www.IStarPMIS, company with the Enterprise Project Management Information System, specializing in project management and information systems consulting. Take a quick look at some YouTubes that we've got out there. Right now I'm actually doing a YouTube, so it's a little slow on populating the pictures here. We've got an introduction to IStarPMIS and a charting with IStarPMIS YouTube video. And what's important to note is that the status report, or one similar to it in IStarPMIS, is what drives the collection of project task statistics and allows us to track the execution of the tasks in the project and do charts. It's the feedback system from the people who are actually doing the work to tell us how we're doing via our plans. Go back to home here. You can see all our links here. Pricing is there. I won't bore you with that. You can order it via this order hot link. If you want more information, you can mail us an email or contact us directly. And let me take a quick look at our dashboard burn down and earned value charts here so you can get a little idea of what's going on. On the other side, okay, here's the management reporting system that is driven by the free status report, or the one like it on our system. Obviously, the free status report is only a standalone free status report. It is not connected to the IStarPMIS system. It's just there for you to use it for your own personal purposes and to get a feel for what IStar system's input looks like. But here we've got all the earned value statistics, our dashboard with nice pretty pictures there. We also got charting here, our burn down chart, and an earned value management chart. You can see there. And I think that's about it today. Thank you very much, and you have a great day.